Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy King Yadia, aka King Solomon. Right now, I'm in a short position from 128.03. I'm trailing my stop at 127.71. Made some losses here, got to regain that, and right now I regained that, and we're in profit. I'm looking to go to like 126. We got some major selling off this morning, so I'm thinking I'm gonna trail my stop a little tighter because the Qs is recovering a little bit. Actually, no, it's beginning to sell off now again. So we had this recovery right here. Now we're selling off again. So my Apple trade is still looking good. Need an engulfing candle to come down here and just break. Maybe we could head to the 200 SMA. This is this line right here, and it's looking like we're gonna do that. Yeah, we got some nice selling off this morning. Nice downtrend. Look at that waterfall. Beautiful, man. I'm hoping to get to like 126. That'll just make my day right now. Think I'm gonna trail my stop to like right above this candle right here. 127.53. Tempted to go a little tighter, but you know, we looking good though. We looking good. Nice selling off. We don't have any stop in volume really coming in, so that's good. This is the Qs right here. This one right here. This is Apple right here. The 1 minute chart, and I got the Qs on the 5 minute chart. Excuse me. Alright, looking like we're getting some resistance here at 127. Tempted to trail my stop a little tighter, but I'm gonna leave it let it run. We may have a little stop in volume coming in here. This candle was kind of big, this volume candle. Now we're getting this little push up. I'm going to trail my stops a little tighter. Put it right above my 7 EMA. We're still getting this little push up here, so even if it gets to this point, if it rejects over here, that'll be good. Because you always got to expect a little pullback. Buyers always going to try and come in and save the day, you know, so. Plus we got the Q's major rejection right here, so yeah, let me secure some profits. We're getting some wick rejection here. Low volume on the pullback, so that's good. Volume dropping off. Lots of selling coming in on the time and sales right here. So this is looking kind of good. Need to break this 127 level and stay below that, and I know the sell-off is safe. That Q's recovering a lot though, so let's see. That's why I want to see that rejection right there, and maybe the Qs is rejecting off of the same 7 EMA. No, it just broke above, so I might get stopped out here. Looks like Apple wants to sell off though. Look how tight that is. If that keeps me in the trade, that'll be nice, man. Alright, so I'm stopped out here. It's a decent morning so far. I had let's see. This was a loser right here. Went short too early. Stopped me out over here. Went long. Had to stop out here when it's coming back for a nice little, I mean not nice, but just like a small profit, like to recoup some losses. Then I caught this short right here. and caught that waterfall. So if it wasn't for this, I would be in more profit right now, but you know, profit is profit. What am I thinking now? Maybe I should jump in at the break of 126.94. Let's see, but the Qs is recovering too much. I don't like that price action. Although the recovery is weak with falling volume, I still gotta be mindful, you know, because that's what they do. They push up the price and then the buyers come in after they artificially push up the price, you know, because it needs volume to be going up, to be pushing up, but they still move the price at will, you know. They kind of make the market do what they want to do by encouraging people to buy, you know, by just moving up the price without the volume being there. So it's kind of like a fake move, you know. These are fake outs. That's why you get all this selling, because the buyers aren't really there. They gotta drop the price anyhow to just come back to where people really are, you know, where the bids are. But still, you know, I wouldn't take the risk and short it right here. Not yet. You gotta prove to me that it's breaking lower. You know, you gotta break this 126.93 level. So let's see how much was that. That's 128.03 to 127.32. Not too bad. Not too bad. Roughly like 70 cents. Was trying to catch 126 though, you know, but we're getting this pullback. See the Qs now pushing up, volume still low. We're retesting this area of congestion right here. Getting this wick rejection right around where it fell off. So maybe it might make a repeat performance, or they'll just, you know, push it up until buyers just come in and keep carrying it forward. Still weak volume. Let's see. Let's bring the dollar across here. This is the US dollar. The US dollar is pushing up, got some weak rejections. But if it keeps pushing up, that'll mean that you know, the equities markets will keep pushing down. If the dollar is strong, the equities market usually pushes down. So right now we got the US dollar pushing up. Some weak rejection, so that's why you see the recovery on the QQQ. Alright, so Apple looking like it's moving down. And I also got these on my chart, or charts I look at. This is the VIX. The VIX is pushing up now, but the VIX kind of been out of whack since last year, man. It doesn't really operate like how it usually does, but I still got it up there. It doesn't give you the same gauge like how it used to do, you know, like risk on and risk off sentiment. It's kind of out of whack, you know what I'm saying? So as this push up, this is kind of supposed to be pushing down, not really pushing up at the same time. And it's been doing that recently. Well, since last year anyway. And I also look at this. This is MUB, municipal bonds, which is like a kind of an untainted bond market, because the bond market is kind of tainted right now with the Feds buying bonds and stuff like that. So it kind of throws off the balance. You know, there's players in the bond market right now who are not supposed to be there. So This municipal bonds is kind of more of a untainted bond market. And with this going up, when bonds go up, the price is supposed to drop down. So this is looking like it's supporting the sell-off right now. So yeah, I think I might go short again. Waiting for that break of 120, what is that, 126.94. If it keeps holding 127, I'ma just leave it alone. My trading partner in the chat room, AAPL Traders, I'm part of that community. He just asked me what am I thinking now, you know, and I'm telling him, like, you know, just more selling off. That's all I'm thinking. Right now I'm waiting for another flush. I just want this to drop to like 126. And with this weakness on the Qs right here, we're wicking off on top. All these wicks on top. Poor recovery, low volume. It's looking like we're going to get that. I could even take a riskier trade and go short from here, which is a good price to go short from, and just keep a tight stop loss. But who knows what is going to happen on the Qs here. So, you know, better to have better risk management and don't take too much risk, you know. Let the price show you what it wants to do. Try not to anticipate stuff, you know. Just follow the trend. Don't anticipate what's going to happen. Look for some confluence and some correlation, you know, because right now if I did that, look what's happening now. Let's say I went short here, put my stop right above these wicks, I would have been in trouble, you know. Right now the dollar is rejecting heavy off of this level right here, so we might get the recovery on the SPY and the QQQ. So it might push back up. As this pushes up, as this pushes down, the equities market might recover. So let's see what's up. But this right here, this is telling, you know, this says it all right here. This recovery is weak. Drop in volume, rise in price. They don't go together. It's like this right here. You have rise in volume and price falling off. That means it's getting stronger. The selling is getting stronger. As the volume goes up, price is dropping off. And now we have the reverse. If this was supposed to be happening, like it's a real move, it would have been opposite to this, you know. This would have been going up, not falling off. So maybe they're setting up to sell off again from all the way up here. I don't know. Let's see what they do. Or maybe they're just enticing buyers to come in, like, you know, hey, it's safe, let's go buy, you know what I mean? Everybody buy, and when they jump in, then the volume comes up. So, you know, it's like they're baiting what they want to happen by baiting the price, you know. It's like the in the auction house. Can I get, well, what is this? Can I get 314.77? Can I get 315? Can I? And they're just calling prices and pushing it up, you know. And if the buyers, you know, they get excited, they just jump in. Alright, y'all, I'ma cut the video off now. You know, made my little 70 cent move right here. And I don't know what's really going on right now, whether it's recovering or it's gonna sell back off. So maybe I'll do a part 2 video. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Peace and blessings.